Hey everyone, I'm Ryan and welcome to Photosensitive Lighting. Today I have something a little bit different. I'm going to take a look at this, the Kapplake Kapplake. This is the Kapplake from Ikea. These are interesting little lights. They are small LEDs that do come with a little sticky pad that goes on the back and you touch them to activate them. They've got an 8-foot 2-inch or 2.5 meter cord that ends in a USB-A connector. So they're super light and they can really be mounted in a lot of different places. According to the box, they draw 3/4 of a watt of power roughly, give you 65 lumens, and they have a CRI of over 80. Not 100% sure about that one. And they do claim to be 2700 Kelvin. So let's take a look at the light that these produce. Okay, so here we have the light from the Kapplake. The box says 2700. The camera called the white balance on this light 2800 Kelvin. And right here I have the camera set to 3200 Kelvin. And we can see it does have some of that warmer light when the camera's set to 32, but it does have a bit of green. Here I have the camera set to the box color temperature of 2700 Kelvin, and the green is a little more apparent here where the white looks whiter, but I brought it into DaVinci and DaVinci said that it needed 55 points of magenta to bring it back to white. And so here I have the camera set to 3200 again to give a feeling of that nice warm light that seems to come out of this in person, but I've used DaVinci to remove that green with 55 points of magenta. I'm planning on taking a look at how to modify these to remove that magenta on the light itself. I like these a lot. These are definitely handy little lights. I put one behind my TV for nighttime watching. It was a little bright and the color temperature wasn't quite warm enough for me, so I did tape some CTO gel all over them. Now, I know not everyone has access to CTO or film gels in general, but I do plan on taking some of these that I've bought and modifying them in a couple of different ways to try to get rid of a little bit of that green as well as to warm up their color temperature. So if you'd like to see that, subscribe and keep an eye out. These are fairly inexpensive. When I bought them, they were somewhere around $3.50 each. I think I bought 5 of them at the time. Now they're $5.99, I think, on Ikea's website. But if you can get them on sale and grab a handful of them, they're really great little lights for under cabinet, accents, china cabinets, shelves where you want a little bit of light. Like I said, I use mine behind the TV. I saw some people online like to use them for night lights. With the length of the cord they got, which is huge, they disconnect from that. They're not battery powered, so this now does nothing. But they can really be put in a lot of interesting places. And I have some plans for at least one of these to make a small tabletop light, maybe like a task light, something like that. Again, if you're interested, keep an eye out. So my rating for the Kapplake, I'm going to give it, I think, about a 4. Overall, they're a pretty good light. I like how versatile they are. They were a steal when I bought them at around $3 a piece, and they're not super expensive still. But you can put them almost anywhere. You can run them off of a battery bank if you need to. It's a shame they don't come with an adapter brick, but at the cost, you kind of don't expect that. The color temperature, pretty close, a little bit green, but if you can modify them, they're well worth it. That covers the Kapplake accent light from Ikea. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and keep an eye out for the next video. Thanks for watching.